So I'm recording a video right now with my wife driving, so that people don't think that I'm driving and doing an unboxing. So picked up something from CVS because my wife, like always, is never home, so he needed a signature. What? It's actually extremely light, right? It's like paper. So I picked these up from Auto Technic. They were $5,000. I'm joking, they were $5,000. Why the hell do they do this with the fucking peanuts, man? And they smell like what? They smell like cheese puffs, right? They literally smell like cheese puffs. So it's pretty dangerous because of the kids. Edible? Shut the hell up. I'm not believing no damn thing on TikTok. What, baby? What is it? It's carbon fiber mirror caps.
Big?
No, they're not big. They're like this big. See? Go ahead and open one. Extremely light. And I'm only replacing them because you saw the ones that were on the car that was chipped to the mirror. Remember, it was chipped on the passenger side? So I'm replacing it so that it looks a little bit better. It's supposed to be pretty easy to install it, bro. That's good. It actually didn't take that long to get to me. It took about 5 or 6 days, which isn't bad. It's all relative. And these things smell like freaking cheese puffs. It's gross. These things smell like cheese puffs. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. It's gonna look way better, right? Look how shiny it is. Super clean. Love it.
Yeah, Dad.
You like them, Bubba?
Shell.
What?
Shell.
It's like a shell? Yeah, it's like a shell, Daddy. You're right. Super light. Really hard. Looks good. We'll get these installed when we get back to the house. Maybe tonight.
Seems like you've been avoiding us lately.
It's not my fault. Dad's alien abduction nightmares are getting worse. He's so freaked out he won't let me out.
All right, so we just got back to the house. I'm gonna go ahead and swap out the carbon fiber thingies. Look, this one was actually already loose, so I do have the. I think these are nylon, right? Nylon little pieces. Like I said, these are $7 at Harbor Freight. $7 at Harbor Freight for like a set of 4. So I don't know how easy any other vehicles ones comes off. Oh, baby. Come real quick, Audrey. Never mind. It's off. It's off. So it came off pretty easy. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up and then put the other piece on. Recording? So you can see the difference. Look at the shine. These are clean. All right. Big difference. So it actually went on really, really easy. Obviously you want to be kind of sensitive with it, but all you did was line up the bottom because it has that little lip. I'll show you on the next one. It has a little bottom or a little lip on the bottom, so you just want to make sure you don't break that. But other than that, you just line it up, apply even pressure, and you'll hear it snap all in. This looks way, way better. Super clean. $415 shipped is what they cost. So you see that one, and then you can noticeably see the haze, all the discoloring, and the lack of actual gloss that's on the older pieces. So originally I wasn't going to swap them out simply because it doesn't look that bad on the driver's side, but man, every time I saw the passenger side, it would bother the hell out of me. And then knowing that it's not supposed to be as hazy as that other piece, this looks So much better, so much better. Here. This was the other one. Way different. Look at that. Old one, new one. Old one, new one. See the big chip? No bueno. Looks way better. Well worth the money, man. Auto Technic, $415 shipped. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this piece ripped off and get it replaced, and that'll be it, man. That'll be done for the day. Well, this was from the driver's side, so apparently these are the original ones from the manufacturer. These aren't any aftermarket pieces, so I'm more than likely will just keep these, man, as a little. So here you go, right there. There's that little tab. It goes up in there. There's a nice little slot right there. So it's not really that hard to do. Like I said, just make sure that it's lined up before you start pushing it into place. Easy peasy, just like that. Simple. Money, I just need to wipe it down, man. Look how clean that looks. Super vibrant, dark. That carbon fiber just hits different, man. I love the way this side of the car looks now. Before, it would always bother the hell out of me that it was super hazy and it was gray, it wasn't even black. And then it had that big ass chip on the top. But man, the car looks mean now. Woo! Looks so damn mean. Oh, I love it. Looks fire. What's up, Daddy? So, I'm done for the day. Gonna drink my beer. You can't ride the Raptor. The Raptor's dead, baby. I know. I'm gonna charge it, and maybe you can play with it tomorrow. But your glove's on the wrong side, Daddy. It goes on the other side. It's even look. The colors match your Venom and Spider-Man shirt. They're black. Cool. But yeah, gotta get back to Dad's stuff, man. You guys all take care.